In the digital age, launching a digital publication can be a rewarding endeavor that allows you to share your ideas, stories, and expertise with a global audience. Whether you're passionate about journalism, blogging, or niche topics, a digital publication offers a versatile platform to reach readers and create a lasting impact. This bonus content provides a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process of starting a digital publication, from planning and content creation to marketing and the potential for monetization. I'll cover 8 key steps recommended by the digital publication industry in launching a digital publication. Let's get into these steps. First, you want to define your niche and audience, which requires you to identify your niche by choosing a specific topic or industry that you're passionate about and have expertise in. This will help you stand out in the crowded digital landscape and attract a dedicated audience. Also, understand your audience by conducting market research to identify your target audience's demographics, interests, and preferences. This information will guide your content strategy and marketing efforts. Next, develop a business plan, focusing on 3 core areas, which are mission and vision. Define the mission and vision of your publication. What do you hope to achieve, and how do you plan to serve your audience? Content strategy. Outline the types of content you plan to produce, such as articles, videos, podcasts, or infographics. Determine your publishing frequency and editorial calendar. Revenue streams. Identify potential revenue streams, such as advertising, sponsored content, subscriptions, or merchandise sales. Third, build your team with 3 critical roles, which are content creators, recruit writers, editors, photographers, and other content creators who share your passion and vision. Technical support. Ensure you have technical expertise to manage your website, handle SEO, and troubleshoot any issues. Marketing and sales. Hire marketing and sales professionals to promote your publication and secure advertising and sponsorship deals. Fourth, set up your website with conducting research and placing a lot of thought on. Choosing a platform. Select a content management system like WordPress, Squarespace, or Drupal to host your website. Ensure the platform is user-friendly and customizable. Design and branding. Create a visually appealing and professional website design. Develop a logo and brand identity that reflects your publication's mission and values. SEO and analytics. Implement SEO best practices to improve your website's visibility on search engines. Set up analytics tools to track your audience's behavior and measure your success. Fifth, create high-quality content focusing on editorial guidelines. Establish clear editorial guidelines to maintain consistency and quality across all content. Engaging content. Produce engaging, informative, and well-researched content that resonates with your audience. Focus on storytelling and providing value to your readers. Multimedia integration. Incorporate multimedia elements like images, videos, and interactive graphics to enhance the reader experience. Sixth, market your publication via the following avenues. Social media. Utilize social media platforms to promote your content, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your website. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters to keep your audience informed and engaged. Partnerships and collaborations. Collaborate with influencers, other publications, and industry experts to expand your reach and credibility. Seventh, consider monetization of your content in 4 areas. Advertising. Partner with advertisers and use ad networks to generate revenue from display ads on your website. Sponsored content. Create sponsored content in collaboration with brands that align with your niche and audience. Subscriptions and memberships. Offer premium content or membership plans to generate recurring revenue from loyal readers. Merchandise. Develop and sell merchandise related to your publication, such as branded apparel or exclusive content. And finally, monitor and optimize your digital publication. Reviewing the publications. Analytics. Regularly review your website's analytics to understand audience behavior and preferences. Use this data to refine your content strategy and marketing efforts. Feedback. Encourage feedback from your readers and use it to improve your publication. Conduct surveys and monitor social media to gauge audience sentiment. Continuous improvement. Stay up to date with industry trends and continuously improve your publication's content, design, and marketing strategies. By following these steps and staying focused on your mission and audience, you can build a successful digital publication that informs, entertains, and inspires readers around the world. Ready to share your ideas and voice with the world? Start your podcast journey for free with Buzzsprout, the same platform powering the digital revolution with Jim Kunkel. By signing up using our referral link in this episode's description, you'll unlock access to amazing features that make podcasting a breeze. Buzzsprout offers easy-to-use tools for recording, editing, and publishing your episodes, along with detailed analytics to help you grow your audience. Plus, they provide seamless integration with all major podcast directories, ensuring your show reaches listeners everywhere. Don't wait. Take the plunge into podcasting with Buzzsprout today